Hello and welcome back to all of you, my growing pals. This is the Glades Garden Girl over here in Zone 10A, Florida. In today's video, I want to show you how I will be making a trellis, DIY trellis out of two materials for some cucumbers that I planted. I am not sure what date I planted them, but they are in this half a barrel with my grapes. And I was doing some research last night on companion planting and realized that the grapes and the cucumbers basically should not be planted together. So I have chosen a spot in another area of my garden. I'm heading there now. And this spot is where I had some Brussels sprouts and I took them out because they were only getting big and not producing anything. And I can always resow some seeds. So I added this post here and this post here. Now this post is going to be my trellis for my cucumbers. And what I did, guys, I just cut some pieces of chicken wire and wrap it all around the post from the base up to the top. I stopped it here, and as soon as I transplant the cucumbers and they start growing, I will just add the other chicken wire, the rest of the chicken wire to it, so it can go all the way to the top. And if I want to reach it, I can just stand on these blocks right here and I will be able to reach any cucumber that is at the top of this post. So this is my DIY trellis made out of a post and some chicken wire. Now if you do not have a wood post like this, any other post can be used, either metal, rebar, you can put it on it because I have tried it already, or anything else that you want to use. Maybe you want to use a piece of plyboard and you can staple the chicken wire on it, and there you will have yourself a great trellis for your cucumbers or pumpkins, melons, whatever vining vegetable or fruit you have. You can use this trellis. I have another one here. I actually have 4 cucumber plants that I will be taking out, and I think they will be doing great here because this area is also a very sunny area and cucumbers do love sunshine, a lot of sunshine. And guys, look what I did. This is my DIY pallet table that I moved, and I will tell you in another video the reason why I have to move this DIY table in this area, because my video for today is all about my DIY cucumber trellis. Yes, guys. So if you think this is a great idea for the garden, guys, please comment down below and let me know. Have you ever tried anything like this? If not, you can go ahead and be my guest and try this DIY garden trellis for your cucumbers or vining vegetables or fruit. Okay, guys, so here I have successfully transplanted 4 cucumber plants in its new area. This one already has some flowers on it, and I am hoping that they will survive here and continue to grow. I doubled the pot, that way I won't have to come out and water every day. So whenever I water, the black pot, whatever is on the inside, will leak down to the bottom. I think I will be checking it like every 3 days to see if it needs watering. I will do that. And here is the other one. I did add some blood meal and bone meal in the soil before transplanting them, because that will help with the transplant shock if there is any. This one doesn't have any flowers though. So that is it. Let us see how well they will be growing up these new trellis. made out of I think these are some 2x4 posts and chicken wire. Okay, I have to check and see why these leaves are so yellow. Don't know. Well, I think it's something, but I have had it marigold in the pots as well. I have a lot of marigold just popping up all over the place. All right guys, so once again, thanks for watching. Remember, comment, like, share. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon in another video. All right guys, bye. Oh my goodness, what's happening with my pepper? It's falling over. Seems as if I have some new homeowners. They were just marching in. Didn't know I was here. Oh my Lord. I'm not even going to bother with them today. What did they find over there? Wow. Must be some grubs or something. Hope it's not worms. So there goes my small congregation of 5. Look who's in the middle. Lord, that must be the deacon. And he has 4 deaconesses. Wow.